Imagine having a cheat code for the markets, a way to see the future, not based on luck, not based on guessing, but using the exact blueprint that banks and institutions follow. Sounds crazy? It's not. Market structure is the foundation of all price movement. And if you don't get it, you're basically gambling your money away. But today, that changes. At the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to read price like the pros, dodge fakeouts, and trade with unshakable confidence. This isn't some weak theory. This is the real game. Let's break it down. Most traders walk into the markets blind. They think price either goes up or down. Wrong. The market is a machine. It moves in calculated phases designed to trap the weak and reward those who actually understand the system. So here's the deal. If you master market structure, you can predict strong trends before they happen, catch pullbacks versus fake reversals with precision, lock in high probability trade entries without stress, dodge getting wiped out in choppy markets. The market always moves in higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, and lower lows. It's a game of expansion and retracement. If you don't see the pattern, you're always one step behind. And guess what? This is why most traders fail. They ignore the phases, they jump in blindly, and they get slapped by the market. But you, after today, you'll never trade blind again. So now that you know the phases, there are three major phases in market structure. And if you don't know them, you're done. One, uptrend, higher highs and higher lows. When the market is making higher highs and higher lows, it's in an uptrend. Buy the dips, not the highs. Smart traders load up at strong support levels, not when price is already flying. Warning, new traders buy too high, thinking the trend will never stop. Wrong. The best trades happen at pullbacks, not at random levels. Key tip, watch for previous resistance turning into support or key Fibonacci retracement zones. That's where the real money moves happen. 2, downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. When price is making lower highs and lower lows, sellers are in control. Smart traders sell the rallies at resistance zones, not the lows. Big mistake, trying to catch the bottom too early. If price is dropping, stop fighting it. Ride the wave and wait for a real trend reversal confirmation. Pro move. The best traders wait for clear breaks of structure before even thinking about a reversal. Rushing in too early, you'll get smashed. 3, consolidation, the market's trap zone. When price is moving sideways without clear higher highs or lower lows, it's consolidating. This is where traders get wrecked the most. The trap, fake breakouts. Price teases a move, then slams back into the range, stopping everyone out. Do not fall for it. How to win. If you see consolidation, trade the range or wait for a clean break. The smart money doesn't trade the middle. They either buy the low, sell the high, or wait for confirmation. So now that you know the phases, how do you trade them? Like this. Step 1, identify the market phase. Uptrend, downtrend, chop, know it before you trade. Step 2, wait for a retest. Price pulls back after a high or low. That's your opportunity. Step 3, look for confirmation, candlesticks, volume, momentum. Make sure the trade is legit. Step 4, manage risk. Like a pro, stop losses below swing lows in uptrends, above swing highs in downtrends. Don't trade without a safety net. Step 5, check higher time frames. If the 1 hour chart is in a downtrend, but you're buying on the M5, bad move. Check the bigger picture. Follow this structure and you'll never need to rely on random indicators again. Even when traders know market structure, they still screw up. Why? Because they make these stupid mistakes, trading against the trend, trying to catch reversals too early instead of riding momentum, ignoring market phases, buying in a downtrend, selling in an uptrend, then wondering why they're getting destroyed. Forcing trades, I think price will go up. No, you trade based on confirmation, not hopium, not checking time frames. The 5-minute chart says uptrend, but the 1 hour says downtrend. You're on the wrong side. Dodge these mistakes, and your trading will level up instantly. All right, so now you know how market structure really works. But here's the real question. Are you going to apply this and subscribe to my channel or keep getting smacked by the markets? And before you go, I'm exposing a trend following strategy that's even more powerful than this. You need to see this before placing your next trade. Click it now before it's too late.